मुगे गव्हर्मेंट आता जो गव्हर्मेंट आहा
हय
बीजेपी लेड गव्हर्मेंट आहा तेजेर मुगेलें कामां बरें जालें. लेट अस क्लियर थिंग्स. लेट अस
Yeah, let us be
you have to
frank.
no you have to call spade a spade.
सो काँग्रेसी परस बरी जाली
100% बरें जालें. काँग्रेस गव्हर्मेंट आसतना आमी जायते आनी ऑपोजिशन आसतना काँग्रेस गव्हर्मेंट हांव सांबाळटालो.
हय ताजेर येतलोच
एकटो मनीस आसलो
ताजेर
सांबाळटालो.
येतलोच हांव
ताजेर
पण हांव प्युअर तुमचो एक्सपिरियन्स एज एमएलए विचारता यू हॅव सीन बोथ रुलिंग्स न्ही
Yes, I have seen both rulings.
and you are saying the present ruling is far better than your Congress ruling. तुमची कामां चड बरी
No,
जातात.
correct.
हां
Present ruling for my works
Correct.
in our constituency was the best.
you have no hesitation to say that.
No hesitation. Absolute no hesitation. The Chief Minister, Dr. Pramod Sawant, जावन तुगेले all ministers have very much helped me, including Power Minister Dawlekar.